It is the best-selling cookie of the 21st century, a global icon and a simple pleasure that transcends language. Every year, over 40 billion of these chocolate sandwich cookies are sold, enough to circle the earth 5 times. But the Oreo is more than just a cookie. It's a piece of industrial history. For over a century, it has dominated the market. But what does it take to create the perfect balance of dark, crisp wafer and sweet, creamy filling? We're not just looking at a snack. We're looking at a masterpiece of food engineering, a system designed for relentless, high-volume perfection. This is the ultimate high-speed journey of the Oreo, from raw cocoa and flour to the final, irresistible twist. The magic begins with the ingredients, and in a product built on consistency, precision is everything. The foundation is a precise blend of flour, sugar, and the key to its signature color, alkalized cocoa powder. This is not your average cocoa. The alkalization process reduces the acidity, which not only deepens the color to that distinct near-black hue, but also mellows the flavor, creating the perfect contrast to the sweet cream.
Bring the pallet up now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
These raw materials arrive in massive quantities, each batch rigorously tested for quality, moisture content, and purity before being accepted, with a single factory processing tons of ingredients every hour.
Look at the data stream here, the moisture levels are consistent.
Good. The sorting accuracy is optimal right now.
The ingredients are meticulously weighed using computerized systems, often accurate to within a single gram, before being poured into industrial mixers the size of small cars. The mixing process is where the dough's character is defined. It must be perfectly timed to develop the right texture, a dough that is firm enough to hold its shape, but pliable enough to be rolled thin, with the mixers operating under strict temperature control to prevent prematurely activating the leavening agents, which are crucial for the final crispness of the wafer.
temperature is holding steady.
Right on target.
Good. And the consistency is finally perfect. We are ready.
The cream consistency is perfect on this batch. Good.
Let's maintain the temperature at 20 degrees.
Check valve 7. Level is holding steady at 90%.
Noted. Pressure looks good on the main line.
Steady now, don't spill it. All right, I'm almost done with this sack.
The temperature in zone 3 is running a little high.
Okay, I'll adjust the flow rate now.
Technicians constantly check the dough's rheology, its flow and deformation, to ensure perfect consistency before it moves to the forming line, where it is rolled out into a thin, continuous sheet, often less than 1/4 of an inch thick. This sheet then passes under a series of high-precision rotary cutters, which are complex, engraved rollers that simultaneously slice the dough and stamp the iconic Oreo design onto each wafer. The heart of the Oreo is its signature white cream, a triumph of food science, and a stable emotion, a blend of powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, and vanilla flavoring, mixed in a separate, dedicated area of the factory. The cream is pumped through a network of stainless steel pipes to the assembly line, where specialized depositors apply a precise, measured dollop of cream onto one of the wafers, with sensors ensuring that every single Oreo has the exact same ratio of cream to cookie. This design is engineered to help the wafer bake evenly and provide a better surface for the cream to adhere to, preventing slippage. Crucially, any excess dough, known as scrap, is immediately collected via a sophisticated vacuum system and fed back into the mixing process, ensuring virtually zero waste. The newly stamped wafers are now ready for their fiery transformation traveling on long conveyor belts into massive multi-zone ovens that can stretch for hundreds of feet, where the heat triggers the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that gives the wafer its final flavor profile and dark color. The ovens are divided into zones, allowing for precise control over the temperature at different stages of the bake, ensuring a uniform color and crunch. Before the wafers are cooled rapidly and evenly using filtered, temperature-controlled air to prevent thermal shock and cracking.
Palletizer 7 is backed up.
I see it. Adjusting the flow here.
This is the moment the two halves become one. The cream-laden wafer moves down the line, where a second plain wafer is flipped and gently pressed onto the cream dollop in the famous sandwiching process, engineered for perfect alignment and just enough pressure to spread the cream to the edges without squeezing it out. The newly formed Oreos then pass through a final cooling tunnel to set the cream, locking the two wafers together. And before packaging, they pass through a final multi-stage inspection point, where high-speed cameras check for broken cookies, misalignment, and even the correct shade of darkness. And metal detectors ensure no foreign objects have entered the product. Only the perfect cookies make it to the next stage, where they are automatically stacked into precise rows and then gently pushed into the iconic trays. The packaging process is a marvel of speed and precision, with machines wrapping, sealing, and boxing the cookies in a matter of seconds, using a hermetic seal to maintain the cookies' freshness and crispness. From here, the boxes are palletized and shipped to distribution centers across the globe, ready to be twisted, dunked, and enjoyed by billions. The journey of the Oreo is a testament to industrial scale, precision engineering, and a recipe that has captivated the world for a century.
Verify the manifest for the overseas shipment.
I have it right here. Everything seems to be in order.
Check the manifest against the load, driver.
Looks good from here. We're ready for the seal.
Watch the weight on this one. Okay, bring it down slowly.
Now that you've witnessed the incredible multi-stage journey of the world's favorite cookie, we want to know, are you a twister, a dunker, or a straight-up eater? Tell us your Oreo ritual in the comments below. And if you want to uncover the secrets behind more everyday products, hit that right button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into how the world is made. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive.